So over here on the responses tab, you can see that I have some responses collected. And if you want to print this out, then you can go around and click on the three dot icon right here. And you can go around and print all the responses as you can see right here. So as soon as you do that, here you can see that you can go around and select the destination right here. So I'm just going to select save as PDF as an option, and you can go around and select out pages like odd pages only or even pages only right here. In my case, let me just select all. And here you can see as you scroll down, you see all the responses out right here. So you can see that you individually see out all the responses that people checked out, and you can go around and print this. You can go around onto more setting and select out paper size as per how you like it. You can work around and print 2 pages per sheet as well. And then you can work around with scale right over here as well. Right now it's 100%, so you can go around and do 50% over here as well. And everything goes down to 50% right here. So let me just go around, type in 100 itself, and this is what you have. So we can also go around and enable out background graphics if you want to, but this does take up a lot of ink if you're printing this out. You can also enable and disable the header and footer right here. So I'm just going to go around and save this, and since I don't have a physical printer, I'm using a virtual printer to actually save this as a PDF. So I'm just going to save this out right here, and once that is saved, if I were to go around onto my desktop, you'll be able to see the file right here, and then you can see that this is how it would look if this were to be printed. What you can also do is you can delete out responses that have been collected. So for that, you need to go back over here, and here you can see the 3 dot icon. So what you can simply do is click on delete all responses, and all of the data that had been collected will be gone. So you have to be absolutely sure that you do not need the data anymore. Otherwise, you won't see that data anymore, and the form simply refreshes. And that is how you can print responses and delete out responses inside of Google Forms. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.